Look at the screen, $5.3 million in my phantom wallet. Most people are trapped in the trenches losing money. I got out by switching sides. I stopped buying the coins and started creating them. That's the real shift. I'm showing you the exact blueprint for launching a coin and pulling profit from it today. First, we're finding the platform that actually brings buyers to your meme coin. Then we're hitting the market with the right tools. I've got two strategies for you, the only two you need right now. I'll walk you through launching, setting the liquidity so the token is visible, and then I'm dropping a promotion platform that's a complete game changer. We're going to track the live buys as they come in, and then I'll show you the most important part, how to actually secure your profit. Don't skip watching this until the end. So first things first, what's the actual difference between Pump.fun and Raydium, and where should you be launching? Alright guys, look at the Photon dashboard right now. I've got the Pump.fun filters on and it's absolute chaos. Hundreds of new tokens launching every single second. In a market this saturated, your project is invisible before it even hits the feed. The pump meta is officially exhausted. Now look what happens when we switch over to Raydium. See that? Only a handful of launches every few minutes. This is where the real opportunity is. On Raydium, you actually have the breathing room to build a trend and get eyes on your chart. If you want a higher strike rate for success, you need to stop fighting the crowd and start launching where the volume actually settles. Why are people losing money in meme coins? Be a creator or still buying people meme coins? Choice is up to you. Listen, most of you aren't losing money because you're bad at reading charts. You're losing because you're playing a rigged game. You buy into a moonshot, pray for a pump, and then get absolutely liquidated by the dev who created the coin. You are their exit liquidity. In 2026, the meta has shifted. Trading is a gamble, daving is a business. It costs literally $0 to launch a coin right now. Why would you keep gambling on someone else's project when you can be the one in control? You decide when to clip profits, when to scale, and when to move to the next one. It's gonna be fucking insane. Look, I'm moving away from Pump.fun because it's just too saturated right now. Coins are dropping every second, and the dark side of Pump.fun is that you cannot manage your liquidity and their liquidity fees are too much, but I'm launching on Raydium to actually get eyes on the project and hit a real market cap. There are two strategies for launching a meme coin. The first strategy is manual creation, in which you have to find a narrative on social media, just like X and any other platform. In my eyes, there are so many tools for launching a coin, but I'm really impressed with the results of launchmeme.fun because every coin there hits Raydium instantly. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this site. Now you can build from scratch by going to the main page of this site, which is Create Coin tab. Once you find your nowadays viral meme coin narrative, then bring it back here. Pick a name, a ticker, and an image and click next. It's that simple. But the second strategy is to copy a trending coin, like you just copy the coin that is already working on the market. Let me clear you. On this site, you can see the copy trending coin tab. Just click it and look. Every coin you see on this tab already has a narrative that works. They're going viral and pulling massive volume on Pump.fun. The play here is to bridge that viral narrative over to Raydium. Let's run a live example so you can see exactly how much this method pulls in. First, make sure your phantom wallet is connected. Hit refresh and find a target. I'm going with this Jelly My Jelly coin. Looks solid and you can see that the market cap is fucking insane now. Click copy to Raydium right here. Wait for the phantom wallet to pop up. Every single launchpad at the beginning, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It's completely normal. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Give it a second to load, and boom, our token is live on the Solana blockchain. Now check your coin on SolScan, and yeah, we're live on chain 11 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create a liquidity pool for our token. Now return to the site and click Create Liquidity Pool. This page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Raydium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supplies to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool and then just wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning, ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, my jelly coin is now officially created and lives on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 125 bucks, which is a 369% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to promote memes.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on dexscreener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name, I'll call this Jelly, select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, click confirm and you are done. Now just watch, it's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time, and boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 2,000 or 4,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro, more people are buying in. I think we're up like $6,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane if the meme is hot, and if you use the right tool for meme coin promotion, then you can cash out good money. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back and bang bro, we are up to a $9,000 market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now I think the question is here now, how we can get profit from this launch. So I'm going to, dump it. Now come back to launch meme.fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 8K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm, and bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $8,747 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Want a free head start? I'm giving away 1 SOL to help 10-person cover their first dev fees. To enter, first subscribe, second like this video, third comment, rug pull below. I'll announce the winner in 48 hours on my Telegram. Make sure you're following the Telegram or you won't be eligible to win. Don't miss out. I'm dropping bags in there all the time.